Aaradhya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 1.5% hydrogen peroxide solution that you can use to disinfect your regularly touched surfaces like doorknobs, doorbells, handles, tables, your electronics and etc. But did you know that the regular things that you use for cleaning might not work very effectively against COVID-19? Cleanliness has become a very important thing since the new COVID-19 disease came, and which is why you can use sodium hypochlorite or hydrogen peroxide as a disinfectant. Here I have hydrogen peroxide. As you can see, hydrogen peroxide 3%. And actually we can directly use this. Okay, so here I have a measuring cup and I'm going to make 300 ml of the solution as disinfectant, and I'm going to use 150 ml of hydrogen peroxide and 150 ml of water, and 150 plus 150 makes 300. So is it clear? So I'm adding half of this in the solution. I'm adding half of this and half of this. So, and I have two empty bottles in which I'm going to keep my disinfectant that I just made. This one is 200 ml and this one is 100 ml, obviously, because it's smaller. And then we have the measuring cup. I'm using this as a measuring cup. It was actually my dad's protein shake bottle, but it has the measuring units and I basically don't have a measuring cup, so I thought let's just use this. And I have water, boiled water. So let's get started. And we're using the hydrogen peroxide, and yes. And as we're making 300 ml of this, doing it approximately till here. And let's just pour that thing in. That's it. Slowly in. I don't want any of that spilling. I am not good at pouring. Okie dokie. Yikes. Is that it? No. A little more. Just a little more. And we'll use only that much. Little more. That's it. We'll use only that much for now because we just need 300 ml. And I just poured like 150. And I do not want any of it spilling, so I poured it really slowly. And now I'm going to pour the water in. Oh my gosh. So my mom actually boiled the water. We actually need normal water that we use for drinking, but because if we use tap water, the germs and bacteria might get in the solution, because the solution is used to defeat germs and viruses, not the solution containing germs and viruses. So my mom boiled the water and she cooled them down so that I can use it. And we're pouring about where is that? This much? Yeah, 300. So let's just keep that on my finger and pour it in slowly. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Slowly. Did that do the job? Most likely not. So that's good, I think. Yep. Good. Now what we're gonna do is just close this thing and give it a nice little shake. Not that much, but a soft shake, not the soft shake that you drink, just a soft shake. There. And you have your solution ready. But this is not yet ready for disinfecting things because I need to put it in the jar. Jar. Get it? So I'm basically going to open this and use this tiny cute little funnel. Okay. And I'm going to use this because I do not want anything spilling again. And that's it, obviously. Okay, I'll need my mom to clean this mess up because I cannot clean this up by myself and I am no good at cleaning stuff. Okay, what I'm doing is filling my second jar and I am almost done. Okay. But on the bright side, we do have our solutions ready. Oh my gosh. We do have our solutions ready and which are ready to disinfect our house. I am ready to disinfect your house. So we can start you can start disinfecting your house once you have made this, and it's not a very long procedure, and you can start disinfecting once you finished making things. And these are the bunch of things I'm going to disinfect, and I just need to spray them on top. Like, yeah, seriously. But on the bright side, we'll have to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. Because if anything touches that, we do not want anything to touch those. Because, yeah, we want this to work, right? If we disturb that process in the middle, we do not want that to get disturbed, right? So, yes, that's all. And I disinfected my things and made a disinfectant for my house, and I think I'm going to use it myself actually. I don't know if my mom lets me. And we're done. So that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for seeing my video. I'll see you in the next video and stay tuned for more videos by subscribing my channel.